Model, 70-plate Peugeot Boxer Professional L4H2 Xlwb 2.2 HDI starts runs drives needs injector Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 119359. MOT, the 21st of September 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 2 replacing, check engine light on the dash. Engine misfiring and has slightly white smoke, fault codes cylinder number 2 contribution, balance. Should be a straightforward injector placement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former